In this how-to video, we'll show you how to create templates and dynamically provision virtual desktops from them in Kaviza. In prior videos, we covered the first few steps of the image management cycle, starting with an ISO image, creating a virtual machine, installing the Kaviza agent, editing and patching it, sysprepping it, testing it, and publishing it as a golden image. Once we have these published images, we can create templates and virtual desktops from them. This video will show you how to accomplish this. In Kaviza, an image is the name given to the desktop operating system plus the applications on it. For instance, we may have a base image for XP, a base image for Windows 7, then an accounting image that includes the base OS plus QuickBooks, and an administrator image that includes the base OS plus Microsoft Windows. Once we have these golden images, we can create templates which link to the images and wrap a set of policies around them. Kaviza provides templates as an efficient way to provide flexibility while reducing storage requirements. For instance, our temporary workers in accounting might get a different set of policies on their desktops than our full-time workers. Once we have these templates, Kaviza dynamically provisions virtual desktops and manages their updates based on the policies we set. Kaviza uses linked clone technology by default, meaning that the virtual desktops only retain the differences from the base image, thus leading to very efficient storage usage. In this video, we'll show you how to create a template from a golden image and how to specify various parameters and policies in the template. We will then show you how Kaviza dynamically provisions virtual desktops from these policies and how it dynamically load balances this workload across the grid. In the Kaviza administration console, go into templates and we see that we have a golden image in our system, the administrator WinXP image that we created in prior videos. We also see that we've created one template in our system that points to the administrator WinXP image, and we can see there's certain policies set on this template. Let's say we want temporary workers in our admin department that have slightly different policies. So we're going to go ahead and create another template here, which is our admin temp desktop. It's pointing to the same image, but this is for temporary workers only. Perhaps our temporary staff don't need as much memory on their desktops. Maybe they're not allowed to save anything, so we're going to turn off these options. And we want a pool of these desktops to be available for our administrative workers, temporary workers, so we're going to change the pool settings. We can also decide to change the refresh policies, which dictate how frequently these desktops are refreshed. So perhaps we want it refreshed daily at midnight every day. So the template is a place where we define these policies, and based on the policies we set, Kaviza dynamically generates these virtual desktops. Since we asked for a number of these desktops to be pre-started, we see that Kaviza is starting these desktops here. It's already started one of these desktops, and we see that we have both our templates here, and we can see certain statistics about our desktops, such as how many of the desktops are available, how many are in use, how many are pre-started, etc. Kaviza also gives us a capacity meter across our grid that shows us how much of the capacity across all the servers in the grid is currently in use. Going to the Servers tab shows us that we have two servers in this grid, and Kaviza is dynamically load balancing the workload across these two servers. We see that so far they've been roughly about equally utilized. In fact, it put a fifth desktop as I was talking on the second server, making their usage identical. If the servers had very different capacities, Kaviza would have dynamically load balanced them so that the one with more capacity had more workload on it, and all of this would happen automatically within Kaviza. In this video, we showed you how easy it is to set a template for a golden image and how to specify various properties and policies using the template, and how Kaviza automatically and dynamically provisioned and load balanced virtual desktops from our templates across the grid. To connect to these desktops, we simply have to associate users or groups with the template, and these users will now be able to log in and use these desktops. Thank you.